Hey friends, welcome to my channel Glam Uptin, and if you're seeing me for the first time, this is Tarni and welcome to my channel Glam Uptin. And today let me clear you that this is not nothing about the skincare or any makeup videos, it's just for fun. And today I'm here to introduce my little munchkin and he is Sanjit. Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Sunday,
Which class?
first class.
Okay, he is thinking a lot about it. He is Sanjit and he is studying first class. And today we are here to show you something like what we are painting today. So Sanjit, what we are painting today?
Peacocks,
Peacocks. How many?
100.
100 peacocks. For what we are doing that?
Just for all us see.
Just for fun.
Yeah.
Okay, he's saying that today we are doing this just for fun. Yes, today we are doing this just for fun. And here Sanjit want to introduce his friend.
This is Pretty, it's my friend.
It's your friend.
Yes.
From when this is your friend?
From so many years.
So many days. Okay, today we three are going to paint some paintings for you and hope you'll watch this video and enjoy it a lot. So without doing any further late, we'll just start this video. Shall we start this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's start. So we are ready with our colors. Sanjit, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let us start. So Sanjit, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red.
I want to draw my leaves red. Fresh and drawing red hill. Two red hills and drawing. What is this red Baba?
Don't copy my painting. You do your work.
This is the monster house.
Where is your monster house?
Here. Don't copy.
I'll not copy. ended up our paintings, and here we are with our masterpiece. And this is mine, and where is yours, Sanjit? And this is Sanjit's painting. Firstly, he said he'll draw some peacocks, but he ended up with monster houses. And why do you love monster houses?
I like monsters.
You like monsters, okay. Which one is good looking?
You put in the Google.
I should put in Google for voting. No, you say which is better, mine or yours? Yours. He's being so partial. I think mine is looking good.
I think mine is bad. Yours is good.
Oh, mine is good, okay. At last, he just voted for my painting. Yeah.
You have enjoyed this video? Like it.
If you just enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
Do subscribe to this channel, okay?
Okay, he's finding hard in saying the subscribe. So please do subscribe to our channel. And if you wanted to stay updated with me, do follow me on Instagram at @glamupteen. And here this little guy is up with a message for you. So he's going to say about COVID-19, how to prevent from that virus. So what are the steps you're going to say about that virus?
Wash your hands neatly, clean, so much clean.
Okay.
Maintain social distance.
Okay.
Stay home, stay safe.
Yes, he's just saying that stay home and stay safe, and please maintain social distancing. And here we are just going up to wind up this video. So signing off, and this is Taruni and this is
Sanjay.
we are saying goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.